Okay, this is what I'm wearing today. I'm bloated. I have my period. I don't feel good. I don't want to do anything today, but I have to be human and go to work. And none of my clothes fit. And it's just, I'm having a bad morning. My 9-year-old's having a bad morning. My husband, everyone in my house is having a bad morning. So yeah, I couldn't find my belt that I wanted to wear with this. The first outfit I tried on was like wrong for all kinds of reasons. Today sucks already, but hopefully it'll get better. This is my face. Kamiyoko, of course, not Kamiyoko. A friend of mine gave me this for Christmas a few years ago. I'm pretty sure she got it on Etsy. I love it. It's got a little bumblebee right there. Kamiyoko, of course. Hope y'all are having a better day than me. And if you're having a shitty day too, I hope it gets better for you.